Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aisha. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today I got a room revamp for y'all, so I switched my whole room around. I changed everything up because I am trying to change up my whole life. I'm redirecting my life, so I had to change up my room as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So, my blinds are broke, so I'm gonna try to look on YouTube and try to find out how to fix them. I was planning on fixing this about a year ago, but yeah. Anyway, I'm doing it now, so better late than never. So yeah, come on.
Two hours later.
Okay, so I was able to organize all the slats into the proper order. Now I just gotta figure out how to get the string. I cut off one of the strings. I should have, So now I gotta figure out how to put that back. But yeah, I'm gonna watch a YouTube video now and stop trying to just wing this shit because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm about to switch up my whole room because I just need to switch everything up. So yeah, we about to do the damn thing. Hey. Here is the room before. It's a lot going on. But yeah. All right, y'all, so my desk just came. So I am about to go downstairs and get it. And we got to put this thing together. And yeah, I'm going to put it right here. And yeah, I need to vacuum this space really quick. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. And yeah, we're going to bring that desk up. All right, let's go get my desk. All right, y'all, so my new bed set is coming in today. So I am going to get this fixed up, get it ready for the new bed set. Get that all taken down. I got my new curtains. All right, y'all, so I got my curtains up, and now my bed set has just come in. So yeah, we about to open this right now. All right, so my chair just got here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together. Okay, but yeah, this is a painting I did a while ago, but the background don't really match, what I'm going for right now. So I am going to paint the background. I am about to start this DIY project. Doing something with this grass. I like how it looks on like other people's walls. So I got me some little grass panels. I got some flowers. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. This is my first name. I do go by my middle name on YouTube, so yeah. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, woo. So when you first walk in, here's my mirror. I got this mirror from Walmart, full-length door mirror. And then once you turn over here, I have my calendar. This has really helped me with my time management. And then, yeah, it's an OMG doll with just some magnets on her head. And then this right here, this is a coat purse hanger. I got this from Target. And then yeah, I just put my hat, my purse, and my jacket up there. Laundry basket, got that from Target. So here's my closet. I do want to show y'all something in my closet. Do y'all see that? I got me a shoe rack to organize all my shoes off the ground. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that in the closet. So, but yeah, here we are. Here we are. We're gonna turn a little bit. I am working on some artwork. Y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all saw me working on this in the video. I am gonna finish it, I promise. But yeah, here's another piece I did. And then yeah, here's another whiteboard. The whiteboards are keeping me on task. And then right here, I have my nail art stuff, because y'all know I be trying to do my nails. So I have all my nail stuff right here. My decoration. And I got this this drawer from Walmart. And then this, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like a desk organizer, a desk shelf. I got this desk shelf from, I think, Amazon. And then if we go over, I got another desk organizer where I'll keep my whiteboard, my notebook, my pens, calculator, stuff like that. Yeah, and then I have my desk. So the desk is from Walmart. Did get the desk from Walmart. And then I got these trays separately. Yeah, did some organization. I got these trays from Walmart. Then I got this bin from Target, and I just put all my art stuff in there. Yeah, laptop. And here is my desk chair. So I got the desk chair from Walmart. But yeah, y'all know the thing. Walmart, if it's not from Walmart, I'll say it's not from Walmart. So now, once you come on over, I have another little shelf. And then I have my dresser, my nightstand. But yeah, so yeah, here we are at the bed now. Yeah, I am working on some paintings right now. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Here is the bed. So the bed set is from Walmart, but this headboard cover is from Amazon. Nice and soft. I needed a new headboard cover. Yeah. Here we are at the dresser now. So with the dresser, I did move my TV over some. And then I did get these shelves so that I can put my perfume on there. And then I got my lotions over here on this shelf. I got this jewelry holder, Walmart jewelry holder box from Amazon. And then yeah, just some regular stuff on my dresser. I'm not gonna, like, should I show y'all or not? Coming very soon. I am almost finished. Okay, and then here is just a board of like memories, really. So yeah, I got some stuff from my college days, stuff from when I traveled. Yeah. J. Cole signed my phone case. Yeah, he noticed me, y'all. He noticed me. Here is my vision board. This last part is just my ottoman. I got the ottoman cover from Amazon. It's a black ottoman, so I wanted to change the color of it. So I got the ottoman cover. And then, yeah, the fuzzy pillow is from Walmart. And then I already had the blanket. That's from Target. And then, yeah, that's it, y'all. So that is my room revamp. So thank y'all for watching. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all like the room revamp. I definitely do like it. I think it's really going to help me get on the path to greatness and stay on that path. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.